Hello, my name is Rishit, and together with my partner Sujay, we created PlanAI, a student planner powered by generative AI. PlanAI understands the natural language you speak or type, automatically parsing your tasks and events for you and categorizing them into various different buckets. So on the sign-in page, you can see that you can log in with either Google or GitHub. So I'll log in with Google. And here you can see it's an AI planner, and in the text box you can enter any task, assignment, or important date. It gives you some examples here. And at the bottom there's this add to organizer button, and you can also speak any task, assignment, or important date. And down here you'll see the buckets. So this can be anything like classes or events, like you can see down here. And you can create buckets, or you can have the AI create them for you. Like if I were to enter, I have a computer science um, I have computer science homework, the AI would create a computer science bucket for me if it doesn't already exist and put the homework task into that bucket. So I'm going to enter, I have a physics courses assignment due in 3 days. Submit. So when I click add to organizer, you can see that it creates a physics bucket and puts the forces assignment in it. You can see the due date, and you can see it created the description that it took from what I entered, and it says submit pictures on Schoology for the forces assignment. And on the side here, you can see it categorized as homework, and the priority level was medium and that just depends on the date. And you can either edit the task here, or you can change the date or time or anything. You can mark it as complete, or you can delete it. So since there's already a physics bucket, I'll just enter another physics assignment. So let's say I enter physics. So you can see the kinematics assignment was also put under the physics bucket. And just like the last one, it has the date, which it got from the text, the name, the description, the priority, and it categorized as homework. So you can also speak to the AI planner. And so if I click this button, it'll allow me to speak to it. So I'll just say, I have a computer science iteration and loops assignment due next Monday. It'll transcribe what I'm saying, and it'll understand that it needs to create a computer science bucket and put the iteration and loops assignment into it. And you can also see this was classified as homework, and you can see the due date and description like all the other tasks. So it also handles events for you. So if I said I have a meeting with my counselor to discuss course registration, and click add to organizer, you can see it pops down right here under events with the name, date, and description. And you can also see that it categorized this as an event. So for any of these tasks, like I said, you can edit them, delete them, or mark them as complete. Like I can mark this one as complete over here, and it'll just disappear. And for each of these buckets, I can also delete them, edit them. So if you go to calendar, which is on the top right, you can see that you have all of the assignments and stuff that you put into the planner right here. And you still have the same CRUD functionality that you would on the dashboard. Like I can edit this event to say it's actually on the 18th. That's the 25th. But if I say it's actually on the 18th, and if I put it in the physics bucket, like let's just say I would do that, and I click save, you can see that it moves to the 18th. And if I go back to the dashboard, you can see that it's now in the physics bucket. So the reason we made this was that as students, we realized how hard it was to constantly stop and manually enter assignments into a planner, especially during busy transitions between classes. And whenever we told ourselves we would just write it down later, we almost always forgot. PlanAI solves that. It's a planner you can quickly open anywhere and just talk to. Instead of spending time typing things out, you say what you need to do, and PlanAI instantly captures and organizes it for you. In the future, we would like to add features like capturing recurring events and push notifications, and our end goal is to turn this into a mobile app that is available everywhere and for anyone. We built PlanAI using Next.js, PostgreSQL along with Drizzle ORM, Bedrock, and Shadcn UI. Thanks for watching.